Hey everybody, welcome to week 5 of TeleSchool. We are officially starting our last unit. Whoop whoop. Probability. For this unit, you can use a calculator, so keep one handy. You can always use the one on your iPad as well. So for today, 421, we have a live teacher lesson at 9 a.m. So if you would like to listen to the lessons from one of us, please make sure you click that link between 9 and 10 a.m. to follow along. Or we have a help session later on in the day at 11. It's lasting an hour, so remember you can always pop in any questions, confusion. If you just want to see us, come stop in, say hi, and we can chat. So for today, you're already doing step 1, watching this intro video. Congrats. Step 2 is to watch a video. You'll split screen it with Google Slides. That's likelihood and simple probability. Those are attached in your assignment for today in Google Classroom. Step 3, another lesson, split screen video lesson with the Google Slides. That's all about tree diagrams and fundamental counting. And then those are the only lessons for today, but please don't forget step 4, iReady lesson. We need that picture, upload it into your assignment as well in Google Classroom so that we can give you full credit. Please don't forget all of this is due by Friday at 3 p.m. So 4/24 at 3 p.m. Good luck. We hope to see you in the live lesson or the help session.